Okay,
Oh,
good evening, class. Today is our first day of schooling. Our topic for today is SoftBank. Yan.
Okay.
Naririnig nyo ba ako mga idol? Mga,
Yes,
okay.
idol.
Naririnig nyo ba ako? Sagot kayo, sagot.
Opo, sir.
Opo, sige. Yan. Yan mga gusto ko eh.
Opo, sir.
Ako si Ashley Cambuyong, graduate at nagmasteral ng BSIT. Yung mga
Okay.
estudyante ko, pakilala kayo isa-isa. Pakilala ko kayo isa-isa, si JB. Tell me about yourself.
My name is JB. Wait lang.
Ayusin mo tal.
Mr. Luigi Etkibal, your chappy. Chappy. Mr. Sammy. Pakilala ko Mr. Sammy. Mr. Sammy De Leon.
Hi, sir. My name is Sammy De Leon from Santa Rita. BSIT 3A. Okay.
Next.
Hi, my name is JV, Junior A lang kay 25 years old from South Poblacion, Masinloc, Zambales.
Mr. Den.
Hi class, my name is from Pinabagyan Ganda Tambak. 25 years old.
Batang-bata si Mr. Den niya pa.
Oh. Yan yung pogi dito sa amin, sir. Pinaka-pogi yan.
Ay, Argel, inaantok ka na.
Argel.
Ay.
Ano, hi, ha, ha, ha. Ganun agad. Ay.
Hi, I'm Christian.
Okay.
Ulit.
Ngayon,
Ay.
kilala ko na ang mga klase ko dito sa, ano bang subject natin, class?
Hindi ko alam subject niya.
Sigurado ko lang. Our topic for today is about SoftBank. What is SoftBank? May idea ba kayo dito sa SoftBank na ating topic ngayon?
Sir, ako sir, meron.
Sino yan? Si
Luigi.
si Argel. Yan. Mr. Argel, ano sa tingin mo ang SoftBank Group Corporation?
SoftBank Group Corporation, sir, is a Japanese multinational conglomerate holding company headquartered in Minato, Tokyo. SoftBank owns stakes in main technology, energy, and financial companies. Yun, sir.
Mukhang hindi kinopya. Pakipaliwanag nga po, Mr. Luigi. Pakipaliwanag nga yung sinabi ni Mr. Argel.
Ikaw na sa Luigi.
Nakamute ka, Mr. Luigi. Nakamute ka yan.
Naglag, sabi.
Naglag ba? Mr. Sammy, baka may gusto kong idagdag sa SoftBank Group Corporation.
Sige, sir. SoftBank Corporation is wait natin. It is founded September 3, 1981, 39 years ago. Founder Masayoshi-san. Headquarters Tokyo Shidome Building, Minato, Tokyo, Japan. Key people: Masayoshi-san,
Wait.
founder and CEO,
Wait lang.
Ronald D. Fisher.
Medyo mabilis eh. Kailan niya When
Sige, sige,
does
sir.
the SoftBank was founded, Mr. Sammy?
Ah, it is founded September 3, 1981. It is 39 years ago.
39 years ago in the year 2019 or 2018.
Yes, sir. 1981.
1981, sir.
1981.
Ang founder niya, sir, ay si Masayoshi Son. Headquarters
At
nila, Tokyo
Tokyo
Shiden Building,
Odomi
Minato po,
Building,
Tokyo, Japan.
Minato, Tokyo, Japan. Key people:
Yun lang, sir.
Masayo Yoshison, founder and CEO; Ronald D. Fisher, Vice Chairman.
Si Mr. Langkay, sino si who is Masayoshi-san?
Masayoshi-san, it operates in broadband, fixed line, telecommunication, e-commerce, internet, technology, service, finance, media and marketing, semiconductor design, and other areas.
Yun.
Si...
Oo, Mr. JV
Ano yun?
Langkay. Masayoshi-san is a Japanese billionaire, technology entrepreneur, investor, and philanthropist.
Philanthropist.
Yun. Alam ni Boss. Boss Argel, alam niya. He is the founder and chief executive officer, CEO of the Japanese holding company SoftBank. Pag sinabing SoftBank, ano ang pumapasok sa isip nyo pag yung narinig nyo yung SoftBank?
SoftBank. Hmm.
Ha?
SoftBank.
Ano?
Ano ang pumapasok sa isip nyo pag naririnig nyo ang SoftBank?
SoftBank.
Bangko. Bangko, sir.
Bangko na software. Parang ganun, no?
Oo, sir.
Ibig sabihin, yung bangko na software ini-install sa mobile application,
Mobile.
mobile sa computer para mas mapadali yung gamit natin ng bangko. Hindi na natin kailangan pumunta sa mismong branch ng bangko, di ba?
Oo,
A
sir.
holding company is a company that owns the outstanding stock of other companies. A holding company usually does not produce goods or services itself. Its purpose is to own shares of other companies to form a corporate group. Makikita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung SoftBank pagdating dito sa pinakamalalaking kumpanya ng kapatid. Ano ba sa tingin nyo ang pinaka top 1 global company? May idea ba kayong ano ang top 1 global company?
Top 1?
Dapat total. Double. Wala, sir.
Ang top 1 ngayon sa nung kailan bang
SoftBank was ranked in the Forbes Global 2000 list as 36th largest public company in the world.
Mr. Sammy, paki-discuss mo nga yung 2010 to 2016 acquisitions ng SoftBank.
Yes, sir. On February 3, 2010, SoftBank acquired 13.7% in US Stream, with the option to increase share to 30% by July 2011. On 1st October 2010, Ayumi Hamasaki became the commercial spokesperson. On October 2012, the takeover of competitors E-Access was announced and was completed in January 2013. July 1st, 2013, SoftBank announced that Wilcom become a wholly owned subsidiary effective 1 July 2013. After termination of rehabilitation proceeding, e-Access e-Access was merged with Welcome, which result in a new subsidiary and brand from Yahoo! Japan Y Mobile Corporation. Hanggang doon lang ba, sir?
Yun, boss, naintindihan mo ba, Boss Luigi? Mr. Luigi? Medyo choppy ka, Mr. Luigi, kaya hindi ka namin matawag. Okay ka lang ba dyan? Mr. Luigi? Wipe ka pa ba? Mukhang, tulog na yung
Luigi
cellphone.
daw.
So, parang sumisigaw si Luigi pero hindi natin marinig, ano?
Oo nga. Mahina ata signal.
Mahina yata ang signal ni Mr. Luigi. Anyways, dito na tayo sa 2015, SoftBank acquired Drama Fever. Drama Fever was a video streaming
Ano sir? Ano sir?
Drama Fever. Isang video streaming website owned by Warner Brothers that offered on-demand streaming video of documentaries, movies, and TV shows with subtitles. Drama Fever's content offering was both ad-supported for regular user and available in high definition for premium subscribers. Yang mga ginagamit nila noong 2016, mga pang big time yan. In May 2015, Masayoshi Son said he would appoint Nikesh Arora, a former Google executive, as representative director and president of SoftBank. Nikesh Arora, kilala niyo ba si Nikesh Arora? He is an Indian-American business executive. Dati siyang senior executive ng Google. Yan.
Senior executive.
Oo, senior siya, boss. Mr. 10. Yep. Senior siya, senior. Yan. Doon na tayo sa masyadong mahaba na yung ating ginagawang discussion. Ipapa-assignment ko sa inyo yung iba pang history ng SoftBank. Okay?
Sige, sir.
Gagawa kayo ng short paragraph lang, mga minimum of 5,000 words.
Grabe na kayo, sir.
Madali lang yan.
Wait lang yun sila.
Ha?
Oo
Kaya
ha?
kaya ni Luigi yun?
Kaya kaya ni Luigi yan. Ni Mr.
Oo,
Luigi.
kaya ka.
Talo tayo dito sa SoftBank Mobile. On 17 March 2006, Vodafone Group announced it had agreed to sell its holding of Vodafone Japan, Vodafone KK, to SoftBank for about 1.75 trillion Japanese yen, about US dollar 15.1 billion. On April 14, 2006, SoftBank and Vodafone KK jointly announced that the name of the company will be changed to a new, easy-to-understand and familiar company name and brand. It was announced in a press conference on 18 of May 2006 that the new name would be SoftBank Mobile Corporation. Ayan, pumasok na siya sa mobile, yung SoftBank. On June 2008, SoftBank Mobile announced partnership with Apple naman. Nakikita niyo yung growth ng SoftBank. Lahat halos sinasakop niya. iPhone, Vodafone. Hindi ko alam kung may Android dito, no? Kung nasakop niya na din ang Android. Pero, yun. Ito, pinaka-short niya, 1981 SoftBank Corporation. was established, commenced operation as distributor of packaged software. 1981 yan. 1984, naging Japan Telecom was founded. 1986, Japan Telecom launches leased circuit services. 1986, Railway Telecommunication established. 1989, Railway Telecommunication merged with Japan Telecom. Nakikita nyo yung growth ng SoftBank, no? Year by year, nadadagdagan sila ng mga ah, partners. Kaya sila yung may pinakamalaking ah,
Mga stockholder.
ayun, mga stockholder sa kumpanya. Yan. Skip na tayo dyan. 2004, 2005, 2006. Yan. Patuloy lang siyang
Lumalago.
lumalago. 2008, release iPhone, Japan Beijing. 2008, Open Handset Alliance. 2010, SoftBank purchased 100% of the PHS mobile operator Wilcom. Ayan. Ano lang sila, pinapaikot lang nila yung pinaka, ano,
Oo, sir. Yes, sir.
and that's all for today, class. Medyo sobra na tayo sa oras. At
Ah,
okay lang ba kayo dyan?
okay pa
Ayun,
naman,
sir.
Okay lang.
Sir, may tanong.
Ayun, may tanong si
Ah,
Boss
yun.
Daniel.
Tuma-
Baka, sige, magtanong kayo. Baka gusto nyo magtanong,
May pasok.
sasagutin na. Ano yan?
Pasok bukas.
Meron.
Oh, yun.
Meron tayong pasok bukas. 11 PM ang pasok natin bukas.
ATM,
sir. Maaga naman.
Kuyat. Hindi kami makorupyo, sir.
Hindi naman siguro kayo makakarpyo. Laking tao na ni
Mga-
Luigi. Makarpyo pa ba yan? O, tingnan mo. Sigaw ng sigaw pero hindi natin marinig si Luigi.
Okay.
Pakisabi
Tawanin mo
kay
nun si sir.
Ed Andrew. Good luck
Upside.
sa kanya.
Yes, sir. Sabihin ko lang, sir. Dapat bahay namin eh.
Pakikuwit na lang dyan, Jela.
Ed! Wait lang, sir. Ako kumakain pa.
Ay, kumakain ba?
Yes, sir.
Sige, good
Wala
sir.
daw siyang load, sir eh.
Sige, basta
Lasing ko na, no?
kompleto naman tayo eh.
Sabihin ko lang, sir, lahat ng ano, na tutunan ko ngayon.
Yun. Okay. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye,
Ikaw,
sir.
Luigi, may natutunan ka?